It's a late, lazy, hot afternoon, and you're looking for that light dessert that will just hit the spot. This is the one for you, and it's not a lot of trouble to make. I'm going to show you how. To make our pudding, we're going to go ahead and mix together our 6 large egg yolks, adding to it half a cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1½ cups of granulated sugar. To thin out my pudding mixture, I'm adding a little bit of my warm milk. For easier pouring, I've transferred it over to my measuring cup, adding into my milk mixture. We're going to simply stir here until our pudding starts to thicken. Now here, you do not want to leave your pudding at all. You want to continue to stir, because if not, you do run the risk of it burning. I'm adding my 3 pats of butter, unsalted butter. And because this pot that I'm using really holds heat, I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the pan because it is still continuing to cook, even though I've removed it from the fire. I'm straining it into a bowl to make sure that I don't have any cooked egg bits in there. And this one looks like it really did well. I don't have any egg bits to show. This one mixed really well. I'm pleased with this one. Looks great. All right, so we're going to go ahead now and add in our vanilla extract. And then we'll just simply set this to the side so that it can cool. For your fruit, you can choose whatever your taste desires. For me, in this recipe, I chose to use red and white grapes. I also have a few blackberries. I'm only using a handful of the blackberries because I cannot stand the seeds that are in the blackberries interrupting my chew. That is just so annoying. So I'm only using just a bit of those. And then I have also my strawberries. So once you have all of your fruit in the bowl, simply top it off with your pudding and decorate as so desired. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video, and even a thumbs down if you have not. Any interaction helps this channel, and it lets me know more of what my audience would like to see. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Yah willing, of course. I will see you on the next one. Shalom.